Yeah, hello guys, how are you? So, hope everyone is good and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to discuss one of the most important concept of a OOPS, which is a abstraction, and it's the first concept that we came to know when we started our programming. So, if you coming from the programming background, you might have already you should know about this concept because it's a very basic and it is very asked in an interview. So if you explain it good, then you will crack, man. So just wait. Okay, so I will tell you the what are the benefit of using a abstraction and how to implement that. So the definition is saying that it's a OOPS concept which says the functionality is shown to the end user, not the implementation detail. Like you have already heard this definition many times, but what is it in exactly? Today I'm going to show you. So as we know, like in the world, we have a car. Okay, so in car there is a start functionality. You know, I'm using the term functionality, the same I have mentioned in the this its definition. So we know we have a functionality of a start, okay, in a car, but we don't know Honda car, yeah, others cars like Honda car, Maruti car, how they start. So we came around one problem, but we know like this class has this kind of a functionality. So what we did, we write a abstract class and we put a one method start. And you know this, like if it's a Swift car, so what we are doing in the Swift car, we are writing the implementation. This is the implementation. Like Swift car start with the keys, then I write a one Maruti car which is implementing the base car class, which is like start mechanism. Maruti car is like this. Maruti car started with a keyless. So see, in abstract class we are showing only functionality. So we know like there is a functionality of a start, but we are not showing any implementation. Implementation is put in somewhere else, like the particular concrete class, like it's a Swift class or Maruti class. So guys, if you see this class, abstract class, what you see, you are saying like there is a no code inside that, there is only a declaration. So what declaration doing? So it's reducing the complexity. Like if end user see this class, he doesn't have to think too much. What he will say this thing has a start functionality. So what's the benefit of it? It's reduced the complexity of a big system. So firstly I implement with the abstract class, and abstract class is implemented by the child class. Okay, and second we have a interface. So I made a one iCar class, iCar interface. In there is also start method, and the same can be done using an interface. So I have made one Honda car, and inside that there is a start mechanism. Honda car start with the mobile phone. Like these days we have an app on a mobile, so that app, through this app we can start our car. There is also mechanism. So the point is same still. We are hiding the implementation, it's somewhere else, but we are showing only the functionality. So now the point the coming in your mind, guys, like there is like the same thing we are doing with the abstract class, and the same can be done with the interfaces. So why do we are using the both? Like if both can do the same thing, then why there are two terms for the same things? So there is a difference. So and I'm going to tell you what is the difference in that. Okay, so you know in a car there is number of tire. Like if I want to say in a car what are the number of tires, you know, it's a 4. Okay, so in a Swift I write the 4, in Maruti I write the 4. But do I really need that? Like this functional, like what is the meaning of functionality? Like start functionality is differing from one object to another object, but this number of tire is not varying. So that's why we are using abstract class. So in abstract class what we can do, we can also give the definition also. So what guys I did, I just mentioned the number of tires which are the 4, and the same it's accessible in all the its child class. See, if I want to use, so this dot number of tires, see, so I can access, like if it's a common entity which is going to be same in all the child class, then it should define in a base class. So abstract class can have this abstract method which has only the declaration, right? But we can also use the definition also here, definition method, like public void print me console dot write like hi from abstract car. So see, I have in abstract class I have declaration part, definition part. So there are some cases where you want to define particular concrete definition, so in that case you will use an abstract class. So you have an option of a declaration along with the definition. So let's see in an interface. If I am going to start, right, print me, see, and if I'm going to give the body, what it's saying, it is like we can't give the definition. Okay, it's giving me error. So guys, this is a base difference between the interfaces and abstract class. And also abstract class can be implemented by any class, but interface is implemented by any class, but abstract class can only be implemented by the child class. And abstract class can contain declaration and definition part, but interface can only contain the declaration part. And also there is use case of why we use abstract class. So there is some scenario when we want to some particular definition inside that, so that's why we use that. So hope you have understand the benefit, reduce the complexity, and how to implement. So thank you guys. So we will meet in the next video. Hope you understand. So thank you.